We got electrical going in today. Recess cans, switches on the wall, outlets down low. We had plumbing go in today. Got 2 sinks, both our water lines right there. Got a light fixture up top, recess can up top. You see the water lines up there. Another recess can, shower over here, and our vent. Master bedroom. We're gonna have a lot of lighting in here. 4 recess cans, fan in the middle. And if you can tell, we have the coffered ceiling, so it's gonna have high ceilings also in the master. In the kitchen, we have the gas line for the stove over here. Over here through the pantry, we have the wash and dry connections. They're ready. Another gas line. We're in the kitchen right now, and that's the drain, water lines, vent, dishwasher over here. We got coffered ceilings in the living room and the kitchen. And straight across, we have the cable and outlets already on the wall. Inspection for electrical tomorrow. Ran into our first problem. We could put a pole in the middle, and that could be a selling point issue, or we can run the wires underground and hide everything, but it'll cost more.
A cuenta, Micho me dijo que le pusieron los pedazos de pipa porque no se hicieron vientos. A de cuenta, nomás quedó saliendo del techo.
Váyanse. ¿Con los papos?
No.
¿Dónde está?
Ahí está ya.
Ahí.
¿Qué pasó? Ahí sí.
¿Por qué yo le agarro el penque y no de vuelta?
Got the return duct over here. Coming back to our blower, air condition, water heater. So today, Saturday, June 10th, we officially have water now. We got our water heater in, we have our tub in, we have our gas line. It's complete and pressured up right here. And also today we had a showing. All the duct work is strapped and in place. All the vents, they're ready. And this open concept that the potential buyers, they really like. So today is Sunday, and we normally don't work on a Sunday, but we got these bricks finished above the garage, around the garage, to the entrance of the door. Still waiting on these windows. And also we had another showing today, and they really liked this floor plan, and we can't move fast enough.